that's what I'm messing with. Hole is 5 by about 10. I really don't want to go out to the end, bringing it out to 15 because of the flashing and everything. So I'm thinking, you left your tool here. I figured it out. I'm going to go with this. It's either that or use the air compressor and literally burn into the roof. I don't think so. We're going with it. Yay, I have a nail line. Nail's right there. Roto zip. Cut out a piece. Cut a piece to go back in. And sloppily put it back together. Yay. Yeah, right there's my nail line. I just need to come back, and it's right at that divot at the nail. So, yeah, it's like 4.5 by 6.5. 4.5 by 6.5. Plunge cut in here, and then see that's a nail line. Double rafter over here. This is all dead, I believe, into the soffit. So, should be. 4.5 by 6.5, ½ inch thick. And I need a piece to sit here on the shelf and go into the, tie to the end of the soffit. Hold it up, nail it on, cap it. 10.25 piece to go to the soffit. Hold it, pin it in, put the cap on it, clean it up. Yeah. They say it's 2 by 2. It's 1 7/8. 1 7/8 as a shore up. Hold that, rough and nail, cap it. Yay. Tuck it away and hide it. I think it's called the 4 scale. Well, yeah, 4 across. At the top of your shingle and that. These are just a hair too short. Runs aren't matching. Oh well. One more. Trim the ends. Done. I gotta hide the license plate. Looks good from the street. Yay! Ta-da! Done. All I did was watch a video on how to lift shingles to repair them. The rest of it was, well, I had to make that up. Cut it out, build a cork, and then blackjack the hell out of it and tuck them all back in. Once again, not knowing what I'm doing, make it up as I go. Worked out pretty good. And that's inspired me to get back out here and start doing things. If my body will let me. My arm is screaming right now. I haven't been out here since that. Y'all don't even know what that is. You don't want to know. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things where you find linky stuff, notification bell because reasons. I do other stuff. Thank you so much for watching.